In this video, I solved numerical questions about measure of center tendency or measure of location. The other name of measure of center tendency is measure of location. And we solved the question about arithmetic mean with short formula, by direct method, by coding method, by using weighted method, and to calculate combined mean. So now let's start. Here is the statement of question. Find arithmetic mean given that these are four parts that we calculate. First we solve this part. D is equal to x minus 39. Sum of D is equal to 240 and small n number of observation is equal to 10. This D shows deviation. So when you saw deviation in your question, it means you can calculate it with short formula. So the short formula is for arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus sum of d over n. We calculate these things in general form. D is equal to x minus a, xi minus a. X is the name of your variable. Variable is means you have a data set. You assign it a variable which is x. So minus a, this is a, 39. A is equal to 39 given in the question. Sum of d is equal to 240 and small n is 10. Put these values in this formula. After simplification, your mean is 63. So we calculate arithmetic mean by using short formula and its mean is 63. Second part. U is equal to x minus 57 over 5. Sum of u is equal to 23 and small n is equal to 20. So the presence of u show that we solve this by using coding method. So arithmetic mean for coding method is x bar is equal to a plus sum of u over n multiply by h, where as you know u is equal to xi minus a over h, where xi is equal to di over h. So here is u which is x minus 57 over 5, x minus 57 over 5. So you can calculate easily here. X minus a is equal to 57, h is equal to 5. So put these values. A 57 plus sum of u given which is 23 over n, small n is 20, multiply by 5 which is h. After simplification, 23 divided by 20, we got answer 1.15, and this is when this term multiplied with 5, the answer is 5.75. Adding in 57, the answer is 62.75. So we can calculate arithmetic mean by using coding method. Third part. X is equal to a plus 3u. Sum of u is equal to 25. Small n number of observation is equal to 15. And and this is given in question as x is equal to 120 plus 3u. So as you know, u is equal to x minus a over h. So this is given. H is 3. So when 3 multiply 3u and a is equal to, we can write it as a plus 3u. So this is our coding method, a plus sum of u over n multiply by h. So a is equal to 120, sum of u 25 and 15, h is equal to 3. Put these values in this equation b. I write this equation as equation b. You can write any name of the equation according to your choice. So a is equal to 120 plus 25 over 15 multiply by 3. Divide 25 over 15, 1.666 multiply by 3. After simplification, after multiplying 1.6 with 3, answer is 5. and this answer 5 is adding in 120. The answer is x bar is equal to 1 to 5. So we can calculate arithmetic mean again. The sum of deviation from 15 for 20 values is 27. Note that the word deviation represents that this question solved with short formula. As we read this in first part, the word deviation represents that here short formula will be used. So the sum of deviation from 15 means observation from 15 for 12 value, small n is 12, for 12 value is 37, means sum of deviation from 15 xi minus from 15 means xi minus 15. Sum of deviation is equal to 27. Sum of deviation is 27. So we can write it sum of summation di is equal to 27. Small n here is 12 value, so we can assume that n is equal to 12. And sum of deviation and deviation from 15 di, as you know, deviations means xi minus a. So from 15 means a is 15. So our a is 15. As you know, arithmetic mean for shortcut formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation d over n. A is 15 plus sum of d 27 over small n is 12. 15 plus 2.25. The answer is 17.25. Next question is, the following are the numbers of seconds which 16 insects survived after being sprayed with a certain insecticides. Here is the data of 16 insects survive after spray. We calculate number of these 16 measurements, its mean, we calculate its mean, and recalculate mean of these measurements by first subtracting 100 from each value and find mean of the numbers thus obtained, and then adding 100 to the results. What general simplification does suggest for the calculation of mean? So we start here. As you know, number of seconds 16 insects survive after spray. These are 16 seconds. This insect survive 1 seconds. This survive 15 seconds, and so on. These 16 insects who survived after spray, the number of seconds. This data is in seconds. So first part we calculate mean. As you know, x bar by direct method or simple formula for mean is x bar is equal to sum of x over n. So we add up all these observations, 121 plus 115 plus 79 so on plus 110. After adding this, the sum of x is 1552 and small n is 16. When you divide 1552 over 16, your x bar is equal to 97. And now we calculate second part. Recalculate mean of these measurements by first subtracting 100 from each value. Now we calculate this part by subtracting 100 from each part. This is x by subtracting x minus 100 each part. 121 minus 100 21, 115 minus 100 15, 79 minus 100 minus 21, 52 minus 100 minus 42, 102 minus 100 2, so on, 110 minus 110. So here sum of x that is used in first part, and sum of d minus 48. When you sum up all these observations, these are minus 48. So we calculate mean here. D bar is equal to sum of d over n minus 48 over 16. D bar is equal to minus 3. According to the required statement, we add 100 to the answer D bar. Now we move to the statement finding the mean of numbers. When you find the mean, as you know, here is the involvement of deviation, and we read when deviation involved, we calculate mean only with short formula, and as you know, short formula is sum of d over n with respect to deviation. So finding the mean of numbers thus obtained and then adding 100 to the result. After calculating mean, d bar is equal to sum of d over n minus 3. According to the required statement, we add 100 to the answer. Minus 3 plus 100. The result is 97. Here now we move to the statement. After adding 100, now we add 100 in my result. The mean is deviation value mean is minus 3. After adding 100, the result is 97. What general simplification does this suggest for calculating mean? This shows that mean is affected by change of origin. It means if you change your origin, you means from each observation you minus 100. It means you change your region. When you subtract something from the data, it means you change your region. So it effect on the value of mean. We can prove this. The next question is find the arithmetic mean given. These are the three parts, and this question and this frequency, the presence of frequency means this question is solved with the help of group data. The first part is solved because here is D and F. The presence of F and D means short formula for group data. In the previous question we solved this for ungrouped data, but here is we solve this for group data. Here is answer x is equal to x minus 18, sum of fd is equal to 150, number of observations small n is equal to 25. Due to deviation, we applied short formula for group data because frequency is also given. So the short formula for frequency for group data is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd over summation f. This is equation number A. I write the name this equation A. You can also use any number to assign to the equations for simplicity. In general form, D is equal to x minus A. So here A is equal to 18. Sum of FD is equal to 150 and sum of F as you know in ungrouped data small n and in group data sum of F, and these are equal. Sum of F is equal to small n. These are the same thing because in group data each group have the number of observations. When you add up all the frequencies, it means it is equal to total number of observations. So by putting values, these values in equation number A, x bar is equal to 18 plus 150 over 25. The answer is 24. Second part, u is equal to x minus 124.5 over 3. Sum of fu is equal to 50, n is equal to 150. Coding method with group data is x bar is equal to a plus summation fu over summation f zerb h. U is equal to x minus a over h. U is equal to x minus. Here, as you know, x minus 124.5 over 3. So this is a, this is h. A is equal to 124.5, h is equal to 3, and sum of u and sum of f is equal to 150. As you know, in group data, small n is equal to sum of f, sum of frequency, which is 150. And now we put in the formula these values. A is equal to 124.5 plus summation fu is equal to 50 over n 150 multiplied by 3, and by dividing 50 with 150, the answer is 0.33 multiplied by 3. This is 1. So the right answer is 125.5. X bar is equal to 125.5. And the third part is x is equal to 10 plus 5u. Summation fu is equal to 46 and small n number of observations is equal to 1 to 5. As you know, the presence of u, you can use only the coding method. So first write up the formula for coding method for group data. X bar is equal to a plus summation fu over summation f multiplied by h. I write this equation with the name C. So in question, x is equal to 10 plus 5u. As you know, u is equal to x minus a over h. So x minus 10 over 5, I write this equation as multiply 5 with u, 5u, 10 plus 5u. So you can find here a is equal to 10 and h is equal to 5. A is equal to 10 and h is equal to 5. When we take 10 in this side, x minus 10, and multiplying 5 by cross multiplication, u is equal to x minus 10 over 5. And in general form, u is equal to x minus a over h. A is 10, h is 5, sum of f is equal to 1 to 5. Putting these values in equation number C, a 10 plus summation fu 46 over summation f 1 to 5 is multiplied by 5. So 10 plus 46 divided by 1 to 5 multiplied by 5, 1.84. The answer is 1.84. Now we move towards the next question. A computer calculated a mean of 42 from 20 observations. It was later discovered at the time of checking that he had copied down two values as 45 and 38, whereas the correct values were 35 and 58. Find correct value of mean. So here in question, mean and number of observations is given, and we mistakenly assign two values, but the correct values are the other one. So to solve this question, our first task is to calculate sum of x, means the summation of data. Then we subtract wrong values and add correct values. So as you know, the formula for mean is x bar is equal to sum of x over n. By cross multiplication, sum of x is equal to small n x bar. In question, number of observation n is equal to 20 and x bar is equal to 42. 20 multiplied by 42, answer is 840. So now we corrected sum of x. 840 minus, subtract wrong values, which are 45 plus 38, and add correct values, which is 35 and 58. We subtract 45 and 38 and add 35 plus 58. So the answer is 850. Corrected sum of x is equal to 850. Corrected x bar is equal to sum of x corrected over small n number of observations. 850 over 20, number of observations 20. The answer is 42.5. Question. The mean salary paid to 2,000 worker of an industry was found to be 130.40. Later on, it was discovered that the salary of two employees was wrongly entered as 297 and 165. Their correct salaries were 197 and 185. Find correct mean. So this is question. This question is similar as we solved previous question. Here mean and number of observations are given. Our first task is to calculate sum of x, means the total the total sum of total data, and then we subtract wrong entries and add the correct entries. So x bar is equal to sum of x over n by cross multiplication. Sum of x is equal to n x bar. N is given, which is 1000, and sum of x is equal to 130.40. After multiplying this, sum of x is equal to 130400. So corrected sum of x is equal to sum of x minus subtract wrong values, which are 297 and 165, and add these values 197 plus 185. So by addition, we subtract 462, which are wrong entries, and we add 382, which are true entries. So our corrected sum is 130320. And now we calculate corrected x bar. Corrected sum of x over number of observations, 130320 divided by 1000. The answer is 130.32. Question. Compute the mean for data in the following table. Classes: 10 to under 15, 15 to under 20, 20 to under 25. The frequencies 3, 7, 16, 12, 9, 5, 2. The total is 54. So here we convert these into classes. Under 15 means 15 is not 15 number is excluded. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. So we can write this, these are the classes, and here we write frequencies. And as you know, the simple formula for group data is x bar is equal to sum of f of x over sum of f. We calculate x, which is class mark, by adding these two observations and divided by 2. 10 plus 15, 25, divided by 2, 12.5. 15 plus 20, 35, divided by 2, 17.5. 20 plus 25, 45, divided by 2, 22.5. 25 plus 30, 55, divided by 2, 27.5. Similarly, you can do this all observations by adding first and second observations, lower and upper class limit, and divided by 2. Here 40 plus 45, 85, divided by 2, 42.5. By multiplying f of x, 12.5 multiplied by 3, 37.5, 17.5 multiplied by 7, 112.5, so on. By multiplying f with x, adding all these terms, 37.5 plus 112.5 plus 360 plus 330, so on, plus 85. Answer is 1415. Sum of f of x is equal to 1415, and sum of f is equal to 54. By putting these values in the formula, we got mean, which is 26.20. Here is next question, which is the question of weighted mean. A student obtained the marks in English 73, Urdu 82, Mathematics 80, General Knowledge 57, Science 62, and its weighted mean. Calculate its weighted mean. If weights are weight assigned to English 4, Urdu 3, Mathematics 3, General Knowledge 2, and Science 2, respectively. Respectively means with order as the number of subjects are given. So first weight assigned to first subject, second weight assigned to second, and fifth weight assigned to fifth subject, as I read earlier. So the formula of weighted arithmetic mean is x bar subscripts w, which shows this is the formula of weighted mean, is equal to sum of wx over sum of w. 4 multiplied by 70, w1, x1, w2, x2, w3, x3, w4, x4, w5, x5. 4 multiplied by 73 plus 3 multiplied by 82 plus 3 multiplied by 82 multiplied by 50 plus 2 multiplied by 6 2 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. The answer is 1016 divided by 1472.50. This is the weighted arithmetic mean of all these subjects. Question. A variable y is determined from a variable x by the equation y is equal to 10 minus 4x. Find y when x is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on 5. And show that y bar is equal to 10 minus 4x bar. These are equal. So, first I write up here x, the values of x as given in the question, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next our task is to calculate y is equal to 10 minus 4x. So put these values, 10 minus 4 into x value minus 3, 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, which is the answer of 12 plus 12. So 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 plus 8, 10 plus 8, 18. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. And similarly, you can calculate by putting the value of x here. Here we calculate the value of y. Sum of y is equal to 54. Now we calculate arithmetic mean for x data set, and now simply the calculate arithmetic mean by direct method with y observations. So x bar is equal to sum of x over n. 9 divided by the total number of observations are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Small n is 9. 9 by 9, 1. X bar is equal to 1. Its mean is 1. And here sum of y is equal to 54. 9 divided by 54, y bar is 6. Now we have the value of x bar and y bar. Put it in this equation. Y bar is equal to 6. 10 minus 4 into 1, which is 6. Both sides are equal. Hence we prove that y bar is equal to 10 minus 4 x bar, because their answers are equal. So we can say that y bar is equal to 10 minus 4 x bar. Next question is, the average marks obtained by 3 sections of a statistics class are given. Section A, Section B, Section C. Number of students N1 45. X1 bar 68. Well, I said 1 because this is Section 1 and this is Section 2. Its number of observations N2 is equal to 42 and X bar 2 58. And for Section 3, number of students N3 38 and X bar 3 52. Find combined mean. So as you know the formula of combined mean, x bar c. C show in subscript, C shows combined. Sum of ni xi bar over sum of ni. We can open this formula when n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 plus n3 x bar 3 over n1 plus n2 plus n3. This is for 3 classes because we have here 3 classes. If more classes, then we have here more. X bar c 45 into 68 plus 42 into 58 plus 38 into 52. 45 plus 42 plus 38. The answer is 125. When we add up all these number of observations, 125 and 3060 plus 2436 plus 1976. Adding up all these numbers divided by 125, the answer is 59.78. So here is combined mean is 59.78. Here is again question of combined mean. The mean weight of 45 boys is 124 lb. That of 37 girls is 116.7 lb. And 5 teacher is 122.3 lb. calculate mean weighted by whole class. As you know, x bar c in subscripts show this is for combined mean. Its formula for three classes n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar over n1 plus n2 plus n3. Our first class is boys. Its number of observation is 45, which is n1 45, and its mean is 120.4. I write here 120.4 plus. For second class, which represent by girls, 37 n2 37, and its mean x bar 2 is 116.7. 37 into 116.7 plus. The third class is represented by teacher, n3, which is number of teachers, 5, into its mean is 122.3. After simplification, here n1 45 plus n2 37 plus n3 5. After simplification, its answer is 10347.4 divided by 87, and we got the combined mean, which is 118.94 lb. Next question is, the weekly wage of 200 employees have been obtained from a frequency distribution. After making substitution, u is equal to x minus 150 over 10. Here the values of u and f. Find arithmetic mean x using coding method and direct method. Also calculate geometric mean. So for this question, we calculate arithmetic mean with coding method, because here is u, by direct method, and also calculate for geometric mean. So in given question, u and f are given. I write up here u and f. Next, I need for coding method fu. As you know, the formula for coding method is a plus summation fu over n multiplied by h. So I need fu. So multiply column u with f, minus 3 with 2, minus 6, minus 2 multiplied by 15, minus 30, minus 1 multiplied by 3, 8, minus 38, 0 multiplied by 65, 0, 39 multiplied by 139, so on, 7 multiplied by 4, 28. So adding all these observations, minus 6 plus minus 13 plus minus 38, 0 plus 39 plus 42, sum of fu is 74, and sum of f is 2 plus 15 plus 38 plus 65 plus 39 plus 21 plus 13 plus 7. We add up all this column and the answer is 200. Now we need x. How we got x? By cross multiplication, 10 multiplied by with u, 10u, and by taking this term on the right side. So we can say that x is equal to 150 plus 10u. So write here x is equal to 150 plus 10u or 10u plus 150 according to your choice. So now we simplify. Here u is 3. 10 multiplied by minus 3 minus 30. Answer is 120. When multiply 2 minus 20, subtract minus 20 into 150, answer is 130 into minus 1. Minus 1 multiply this will be minus 10 plus 150 minus 140. When 0, 10 multiplied by with 0, this term is 0, answer is 150. Similarly, you can solve this at the end of term 4. 10 multiplied by 4, answer is 40. 40 plus 150, 190. So for direct formula, what is the mean for group? For direct formula of arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to sum of f of x over sum of f. Direct formula for group data of arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to sum of f of x over sum of f. So we need sum of f of x. So we multiply f with x. 2 multiplied by 120, 240. 130 multiplied by 15, 1950. So on 190 multiplied by 7, 1330. By adding all this column f of x, 240 plus 1950 plus so on 1330, adding all this column 30740. Sum of f of x is 30740. So now we calculate arithmetic mean. First we calculate arithmetic mean by coding method. Formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fu over summation f zerb h. A is equal to 150. As you know, a is equal to 150. X minus a over h. U is equal to, in general form, x minus a over h. Here a is equal to 150 and h is equal to 10. So sum of fu 74, sum of f 200, h is 10, a is 150. The answer is 153.7. We calculate arithmetic mean by using coding method. Arithmetic mean by using direct method. X bar is equal to sum of f of x over sum of f. So sum of f of x 30470, sum of f 200. We got answer 153.7. Now we calculate it for geometric mean. Group data for geometric mean is antilog into sum of f log of x over sum of f. So we need here log. So take log of each x term. Log of 120, log of 130. Here is the answer 2.079, 2.1139, so on. This is log. And but here in question we required f log of x, sum of f log of x. So multiply by frequency with log of x, 2 multiply by 2.079, 4.1584. 15 multiply by 2.1139, 31.7085. So on 7 multiply by 2.2788, 15.9516. The answer is sum of f log of x is 436.93. 436.93 over sum of x 200. How we get this? Take log of x each term and then multiply log of x column with frequency column, and then at the end sum of all this column f of log of x. So antilog of this term 2.1840. The answer is 152.99. The geometric mean is 152.99. Here is the question. Compute the weighted mean of the following data. Here is the subjects, marks, and these are the weight to assign. As you see here, weight. So it means we use weighted formula, weighted arithmetic mean. X bar w, sum of wi xi over wi. xi wi xi. By multiplying this, here I write a formula of data of x, which is 73, 85, 92, 65, and then wi, the weights are assigned 3, 3, 4, 3. So we need wi xi. So we multiply w with xi. 73 multiplied by 3, 219. 85 multiplied by 3, 255. 92 multiplied by 4, 368. Similarly, 65 multiplied by 3, 197. We add up all these four values, 219 plus 255 plus 368 plus 195. The answer is 1037. So x bar w is equal to sum of wi xi over wi, 1037 over sum of wi. Sum of wi is 13. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 over 13. So divided by 1037 divided by 13, the answer is 79.76. So we calculate weighted arithmetic mean. If you want to see videos about solved questions about measure of central tendency, part first, merits and demerits of arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, median, the link is in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.